exercise. Okay, uses of computer. So what are the uses of computers, ma? So the computers are used in two, that is personal use and the business use. So under the personal use, playing games. Then what's the next one? Doing projects, etc. Then business use, schools, colleges, then hospitals, railway station. Then what's the next one? Railway station, making cartoons, animation, spacecraft, everything we discussed in the last class, isn't it? Then anything else? Yes. So this class we will see the exercise. Okay. Yeah. So take a page bookmark, fourth lesson. So first one, exercises. First choose the correct option. The first one you see, A, email is first one, electric mail, electronic mail, none of this. So what's the answer for the first one, ma? Electronic mail, not electric mail. The second one, that is electronic mail. Okay. Then coming to the second, computers are used personally to play games, to make projects, to email friends and relatives, all of this. So what's the answer? All of this, isn't it? To play games. Then the next one, are doing projects, to send electronic mails, etc. Isn't it? Then take the next page. See, computers are used in schools to make circulars, then make timetables to diagnose diseases, both 1 and 2. So to diagnose diseases in hospital, isn't it, students? So what's the answer for the first one? Sorry, for the C, computers are used in schools to make circulars and make timetables. So the fourth one, both 1 and 2 is the answer. Then moving to the D, ATM is automatic teller machine, automated teller machine, auto teller machine, none of this. So what's the answer, ma? Automated teller machine. Okay, automated teller machine. Then next one, in offices, computers are used to type and print documents, store information on CD or DVD, all of this. So in offices, type and print documents, send messages through email, store information on CD or DVD, all of this. So the answer is all of this. Okay. Then see the next one, in the grid given below, circle the names of 8 places where computers are used. So they have given the 8 places. Okay. So the first one is bank, school, airports, home, hospital, shop, office and hotel. So we have to find out the letters, okay, in this grid. Okay. So we find means we have to encircle this. See where is the bank now. So the first one is bank. So where is the bank now? See the right last corner, right bottom corner, see, ma, can you see bank? So you circle that, ma, BANK, bank. Can you see? Yes, BANK. Okay. So the second one is school. Oh, so where is school? Can you find out? Yes, see the middle, ma, 3, 4, 5, sixth column from the left. Sixth column from the left. In the bottom, you see, ma, bottom. See, SCHOOL, school. SCHOOL. This is the second one. Then third one is airport. Try to find out the airport. Try to find out the airport, ma. So, good children, see from the right from the second column, you see, ma. A second row, you see, ma, see airport, ARPORT, airport. Can you see? Next one is home. Where is home? So, in the bottom, top, last, okay, bottom, okay. Bottom, that end, where is the end? At the right end, you see, ma, in the bottom. Can you see the word home? HOME, home. Okay. The next one is hospital. Where is hospital? In the right second row, hospital. HOSPITAL, hospital. Okay. HOSPITAL, hospital. Okay, then the C from then the shop. So seeing from the right, third, fourth row. S-H-O-P. S-H-O-P, shop. Okay. Then the next one is office. O-F-F-I-C. Where is office? So office at the left end. Okay. O-F-F-I-C. Office. This is your assignment. Okay. You do it by yourself. Okay. This is your assignment. Computer assignment. So what are the words? Bank, school, airport, home, hospital, shop, office, and hotel. These are the some of the places. Again, tell me, ma. B-A-N-K, bank. SCHOL, school. ARPORT, airport. Then HOME, home. HOSPA, hospital. SHOP. Okay. Then see the next, ma. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Filling the blanks with the correct words. So see the first one, A. Dance is a process of preparing lively cartoons. So cartoon means by this is called as animation. So what is animation, ma? Animation is a process of preparing lively cartoons. Animation. Animation. Then see the next one. In hospitals, the computers are used to identify diseases. In that, computers are used to identify diseases. So in the word, answer what's the answer? Hospital. Hospitals. Hospitals. Then see the CMA A dash is a collection of information about a particular person or object. So what's the answer? Record. 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 Okay. Then coming to the D. Computers are used in dash as a teaching aid. Where teaching means schools. The answer is school. Good children. SCHOL. Schools. SCHOL. Schools. Then the E. Does is a machine used to deposit or withdraw money. Does is a machine used to deposit or withdraw money. What's the answer, ma? ATM. ATM. ATM means automated teller machine. So shall we write now? Yes, right. Okay. Good children. Then the next one is write T for the true statements and F for the false one. So the first one, you can use computers to maintain a customer accounts in bank. This is true or false, ma? True. Why? We are using computers in banks to maintain a customer account, isn't it? Then the second one, you can design clothes, buildings and cars using computers. So the answer is true. Yes, you can design clothes, cars and buildings using computers. That one is true. Okay. The next one, you cannot deposit or withdraw money using the ATM. So this is false. This is false, isn't it? You can deposit or withdraw money using the ATM. So that is false. Then the D, in hospitals, computers are used to issue or return books in the library. This is also false. In hospitals, they are used to diagnose the disease, then scan reports, etc. Isn't it? In banks, computers are used to book tickets. This is also false. Why? Banks, it is used to maintain the customer accounts, isn't it? So in book tickets in railway or airports reservation. So the answer is false. So the first two is true. Then the last three is false, isn't it? So how many true? Only two true. Then and answer the following questions. So what is the use of an ATM? So what is the use of an ATM? Withdraw and deposit money, isn't it, in the ATM machine? Then name any two uses of computers in offices. To type and print documents. To type and print documents. What is animation? This animation already we discussed is the process of moving pictures, isn't it? Then name any two personal uses of computers. Doing projects, homeworks, playing games, etc. So what is an email? Email is an What is an email? Email is a Electronic mail, isn't it? Electronic mail. Okay, these 5 questions I will give in another paper. Okay, you will copy this in your computer note. Okay, computer no need to write here. Please copy it in your computer. Okay, students, thank you. Bye bye.